Hello guys.
Mamahulog king.
Oh my god. Oh my god. The phone. Quick check. We are going to a 7-Eleven out here. And you didn't know what...
Hindi mo lang useful. Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna get chips.
Gal pa ko gusto.
No, they don't have my favorite. Then wait. Who are you? Who is you?
Wala pa lang gal.
Oh,
Cellphone yung dala mo.
then,
Yung cellphone mo kung nasa iyo?
Ano sa'yo?
Kaya ko wala.
so, I'm gonna get... So, I'm gonna get... Minute Maid.
Ano lang po to?
Ah!
Zero sugar. Oh, talagang
I got...
Guys, I
Oh.
wasn't able to finish the Chinese New Year countdown. And then I went to the...
Bro, wait for me! I want ice. You have matcha. You have matcha? That's so weird. I don't want anything from ice cream. So, should I get barbecue or cheddar cheese? I think I'm gonna get cheddar cheese.
Ay, what? Meron doon, meron.
This is like,
That one, no? Daddy, iba yan eh.
Anong gusto mo?
I want cheddar.
No? Oh, ito.
Flavor yun.
Bro, let me see.
Anong flavor yun?
High cheese.
No,
High cheese.
I'm gonna get my own. What the heck is this?
Ito na lang. oh.
Unicorn babies.
Ito na lang king. Oh.
Okay.
So many one.
Yay! I got a mini one.
Ito na.
Wala.
Wait, ma. Wait, ma.
Ah, baby, ano, inom ka ng Gatorade.
Mm. Wait. Guys, I don't know what to find. Ah! You scared the heck out of me, bro. Labatera. What's the eating here? Wait, ma. I'm gonna get... I'm gonna get gummies. Pa. And I'm cute. Wow. Angry Birds.
Just the song cake.
Lush Life. But telling you loosen up my button, babe. But you keep running. Say what you gonna do to me, But I see nothing telling you loosen up my buttons, babe. Sorry po.
Uy, patay mo yan. No?
Wait lang. Magte-taste test pa nga ako. So, thank you. Check. Ow.
300 yung ito.
Now this.
Buka na.
Sige. Taste test. Wait.
So, nakahanap ng mga gusto na yan. Tingnan mo, pag-alis natin, nagsimula.
First,
Anong pangalan nun?
Haribo Happy Cola.
Say you got
She's tasting. She's tasting Magnum. Bro,
Let's go.
Right.
get the hell out of here. Oh my god, stop. Oh. Sorry.
Sarap.
Oh. I'm a psychopath. Does anyone want to marry my sister?
Where you gonna marry your sister?
Let's taste this.
Yusing na si Daddy. Halika, balik na tayo. Nakakain na. Abot yung mapunta.
Good. I like this.
Yes. I like it.
Yum.
May stats na ako. Gusto ko makita.
Sa'yo na.
Ano ka kahit isa na?
Sa'yo na. Nakakasama. Isa na. Uy!
I love it. Yum yum.
Ano nga yung mga ito?
Yum yum. Bye guys. Hello guys, I'm back. Kumain lang me. I'm with my mga cute na mga ate. Now watch her.
Okay, next. Show them. Welcome to my pantry. This is my soda. Yeah. This is my gulp corner. My batteries. Show them. Show them.
Bataria. Red iced tea. Sigma. Wait lang ah, mga girl. Picture. Okay. What are you looking at? What the heck?
Pakita mo kay Kim. Pakita mo kay Kim.
Te quiero.
Ano yan? Orange shape.
Yum.
Nakain ka?
Chewy, oo, yes. Let's share. Hindi ka ako lang. Very good, very good.
What the heck are you looking at?
Hindi sila kakain kasi dragon sila.
Angel ako.
Ano? Hanggang 3.
Pag dragon.
Angel.
Ay, talaga, dragon ka? Kaya pala di-reflect dun sa'yo.
It's zucchini.
Okay, tigilan mo ako sa kabila.
Don't worry, I will buy you. How many do you want?
Tara, balik na tayo doon.
Bawal ka
So,
mag-phone.
nakakain na tayo. Babalik na tayo doon.
Joke lang.
Bawal
No.
Ako na lang dahil balang ka. Nanginayang na ako doon sa pinaglaban
Gaya
na.
mo ka pa. Dati na
Pero okay lang.
That's important.
Hindi naman gumana.
Ano ba ba yan? No. You're not gonna, hindi ka tumutok ang kasama.
Uy, may driver din na si Kaya. Bakit ako dun sa ano? Bakit ako dun sa
I hate that. After noon, namanhid yung legs ko, ate.
Naman head.
Sobra.
Sabi tayo ng sa leg ni Daddy.
Nahihirapan na. Galaw na siya ng galaw.
Pero pero matibay pa pala ako. Kaya ko pa makatanda. Sabi ko pa kasi sa iyo. Wala.
Yung simula mo pa rin.
Yeah! Okay. Babalik tayo dun. Sabi, let's go.
No.